Namaste. Welcome to our day 13, 30 days yoga challenge. Today we are going to work on to arm balancing. So let's start with dolphin. Come onto your knees, interlock your fingers, bring the elbows on the ground, interlock your fingers. Remember, this is your major arm, should not move. If far, then it will be difficult. If near, it will be difficult. So measure the hand, interlock your fingers, raise your hips up. Like slightly back, check that you are in V shape. And as you exhale, bring your chest towards the hands. As you inhale, back up. We will do 10 times. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Drop the knee down, go into child pose. Bring the forehead on the ground. Let your breathing come down to normal in about between 5 to 10 seconds. Then come back up. Go into squatting. Bring the hands onto the ground about hip wide open. Knees are out by the side of your upper arms. Then lift your hips up so that your knee comes behind your upper arm. Lift the toe so that it's easier to touch your knee to the upper arm. And then you go forward and back. Forward and back. Today we are building the arm balancing, so you only need to do forward and back. Unless you are intermediate and you already practiced this posture before, you can go ahead into full crow. But today we will just do this, going forward and back, forward, back, forward and back, forward, back, back to sit down. Then bring your hands forward, go into plank. Arm balancing needs both core muscles to be strong and your arms to be strong. So plank, 10 to 15 seconds. Then back to the cat, 3 seconds. Then back to plank. Back to the cat. Plank. Cat. And go back to plank. And bring your right knee touch to the left elbow. Back. Left knee to the right elbow. Back. Right knee to left elbow. Back. Left knee to right elbow. Back. Right knee to left elbow. Back. Left knee to right elbow. Back. Cat. Bring the knee closer and back to squatting position. And bring your hips onto the ground. Interlock your legs like this. Bring the hands by the side, and you're lifting your hips up using your hands. Down, lift up. We will repeat 5 times. Down, lift, down. Next 2 times, we will try to lift one leg at a time also. So lift, and then lift one leg, down, another leg, down, and sit down. One more time. Lift, one leg up, down, another leg up, down, and sit down. Sit in Sukhasana. Let your breathing come down to normal. Once you're ready, give thanks and prayer pose. Namaste.